The allowance when I was a little boy was a nickel a week, but I liked the idea of having a little more than a nickel a week to work with, and I went into business very early. I started selling Coca-Cola door to door. I sold gum door to door, or sold Saturday Evening Post, Liberty Magazine, Ladies Home Journal, you name it. I think I enjoyed the game almost right from the start. But I like being my own boss. That's one thing I liked about delivering papers. I could arrange the route I wanted. Nobody was bothering me at 5 or 6 in the morning.
If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe now.
I was delivering 500 papers a day, and I made a penny a paper, but in terms of compounding, that penny turned into something else. Einstein is reputed to have said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world or something like that. And it goes back to that story you probably learned when you were in grade school, where somebody did something for the king, and the king said, "What can I do for you?" And he said, "Well, let's take a chessboard and put 1 kernel of wheat on the first square, and then double it on the second and double it on the third." And the king readily agreed to it, and by the time he figured out what 2 to the 64th amounted to, he was giving away the entire kingdom. So it's a pretty simple concept, but over time, it accomplishes extraordinary things.
Imagine you plant a tiny money seed today, just $1,000, and 5 years later you are harvesting $10,000. No magic, no lottery ticket, just one simple force: compound interest. Stick with me and you will see exactly how it works. Principle: you are starting with $1,000. Interest rate: the growth juice, like 12% a year. Time: the more years, the more compounding. You have your future value of $10,000. You have a present value of $1,000. You have your annual rate as 12%, and you have 5 years. Start with $1,000. Add $100 every month. Aim for a realistic 12% annual return. Over 60 months, you will hit around $10,000. That's the power of blending compound interest with consistent contributions. Remember, initial deposit was $1,000. Monthly top-up, $100. Target APY, 12%. Then in 5 years' time, compound interest turns time into your co-investor. Start with what you've got. Add consistent contribution. Pick a solid growth rate, and let the snowball roll. Ready to kick off your journey? Open an investment account. Set up auto deposit. Track your progress monthly. Smash that like button. Subscribe, and let's make your money work harder than ever. Now, this is what happens when you are making contribution of $100 every month in order to make it up to $10,000 at the end of 5 years. In the first year, you have a deposit of $1,000. Then your interest of $120, and your annual deposit of $1,200. Then your end balance will become $2,320. Then in the second year, you have your deposit of $2,320. Your interest will become $2,708.40. Then your annual deposit of $1,200. Their end balance will become $3,798.40. Then on the third year, you will have your first deposit of $3,798.40. Then your interest becomes $455.81. Your annual deposit of $1,200. Then your end balance will become $5,454.21. Then on the fourth year, you will have a fresh deposit of $5,454.21. Then your interest becomes $654.51. Then your annual deposit of $1,200. Then your end balance at the end of this year will become $7,308.72. Then on the fifth year, you will have your first deposit of $7,308.72. Then your interest becomes $877.05. then your annual deposit of $1,200. Then your total earned as of 5 years becomes $9,385.77, then approximately to $10,000. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe now.